Okay. So, hey everyone, it's me, NageCat, the small YouTuber. I have an announcement. I'm leaving it up to you what I should do. I could either make a gaming video or a gacha video. Comment which, please. And yes, that was a script. I forgot that it's easy to tell I'm reading it because of my model, but I don't know what to do, and I want few people that have stuck around and even subscribed to my videos. And I want this channel to work. Because I am not one to typically give up on anything. Especially when it comes to something as big as this. So, please. I don't even expect to get in the comments, but here we go.